Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to raise the pitch in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can get started with the audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's go and see how to increase the pitch. The first thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. So after opening up audio recorder, as you can see, this is now going to open up this new recording menu where we can get started with recording. So what we're going to do is click the big red circle at the top of the screen to start recording. As you can see, it's going to start playing our tune, and now it's going to open up our recording and we can get started managing it. So as you can see here, we have our option to manage our tone at the bottom left corner, so you can go ahead and swipe it to set the tone that you want for your vocals. So what you can do is add even more effects such as extreme tuning, where you can have your pitch control. So you can see when you open up extreme tuning, this is where we can go ahead and manage our pitch. You can set how much you want it, you can reduce it, add more, and so on to get your desired effect, and that is how you can manage your pitch in GarageBand. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.